we had received information from police station Nagal, Saharanpur, UP district that one accused Mohammad Naushad, son of Mohammad Jamshed, age 21, has kidnapped one minor girl and is hiding somewhere in Banawali area. Based on the information, a team was formed, and today the accused along with the minor girl was traced at Banawali, and the police team has been contacted. Police team led by Sub Inspector Sunil Kumar of Saharanpur Police Station has reached Pulwa Police Station. Now the accused with the girl is being handed over to the Nagal Police Station Saharanpur for further investigation.
कैन रजिस्टर दी केस तो
This
कैन
case was registered by Nagal Police Station Saharanpur on 17 April 2019. So since then he was the police were on lookout for him. And today, after receiving information from them, we have immediately conducted operation, and we have traced the accused along with the minor girl who was residing on rental basis in Banawali area.
हम जनपद सहारनपुर उत्तर प्रदेश से आए हैं। हमारे यहाँ पे एक क्राइम नंबर है 94/90 अंडर सेक्शन 363 366 IPC बनाम नौशाद। एक लड़की को किडनैप करके लेकर आया था। हम इसके चक्कर में लगे हुए थे काफ़ी दिनों से। इसका हमें लोकेशन मिला। लोकेशन मिलने के बाद में हमने कोल्हापुर थाने से संपर्क करके इस व्यक्ति को पकड़ा है। इसे हम लेकर साथ
आपने ट्रांसफ़र वारंट ले लिया है यहाँ से, तो कब तक आप लोग पहुँचेंगे सहारनपुर में?
देखते हैं, जैसे भी लगे हुए हैं संपर्क करें। फ्लाइट का टिकट करा के हम निकलेंगे, जितनी जल्दी हो सकेगा उतनी जल्दी निकल जाएंगे।